welcome to the tutorial of the budget, income statement, and management accounts file. The first thing I will point out to you is that please note there are various worksheets within this file, and all the worksheets running along the bottom are linked to the summary worksheet that we are currently in. There is also a notes worksheet where you will enter the name of your business when you receive the file that will update in the summary worksheet file. And you can rename this worksheet to suit what you are going to be using the file for. The summary worksheet caters for 12 months for either your budget or income statement or management accounts then that you can edit to suit the months that you are going to be working in. And so on. The summary worksheet delivers your sales figures, your cost of sales figures, the gross profit margin as a percentage of your sales, other income category accounts, your total income, all your operating expenses, and then your net profit. All the little dashes in the cells represent formulas that are either updated from the worksheets within the file or calculated for you automatically. If you need a tool to help you to forecast sales, then I highly recommend the Sales Forecast product, which includes all the functionality of the income statement with tools to help you to forecast your sales, cost of sales, gross profit, and gross profit margins. As I said earlier, all the worksheets in the file are linked to the summary worksheet, and you can access these worksheets by either clicking on them directly, or you can access the worksheets by clicking on the numbers next to the descriptions of each account. And when you access a worksheet, it will take you to the worksheet relating to that account. It will give you a description of what that account is for, and you will then enter your figures, either the figures that you want to budget for, or your actual figures if you're using it as an income statement or management accounts. You can then enter the description of what it is that you want to budget for or account for, annual financial statements, income tax, calculation, whatever it may be, and you will then enter the amounts in whichever month that cost is going to be relevant. And then you will also notice that when we updated the summary worksheet with a month, it will also update all the worksheets that are linked to the summary worksheet with whichever month that you enter. And then once you've entered the figures on the relevant worksheet, it'll update in the summary worksheet. So each account that is listed on the summary worksheet has a related worksheet that explains to you what that expense is for, what you need to consider when budgeting or allocating that expense in your accounts, and it then allows you to enter the description and the amount per month that you need to budget for or the actual expense that you've incurred. The depreciation worksheet specifically can be linked to the fixed assets register product, so I recommend the fixed assets register if you would like to integrate that with your income statement to update automatically. In the budget income statement management account product, you will also enter the sales figures directly into the worksheets, just using arbitrary figures for examples to show you, and then it will update the summary worksheet with the figures that you've entered in the individual worksheets linked to this account description. And as you enter your figures into the individual worksheets and it updates in the summary worksheet, it will automatically calculate your gross profit, the gross profit percentage on turnover, and the net profit per month for 12 months. If you want to edit the accounts in the income statement to suit your particular business, you can also do that. You just need to bear in mind then that if you change an account name in the summary worksheet, let's say you don't want advertising and you change that then to bank charges, and you would change the bank charges then to another account name. When you then click on the related worksheet, it's still going to give you the description for advertising and not bank charges. So just bear that in mind if you need to edit the account names on the income statement. You will always have the original income statement file or budget file that you can refer to after you've edited what we call the chart of accounts. And you can change the account numbers. If you already have account numbers in your business, you can edit them to suit your particular business. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the budget, income statement or management accounts product. Any questions, any support that you need, or any further development or changes that you would like done to the file, please don't hesitate to pop us an email. And feel free to let us know how you're getting along. I hope to chat to you again very soon. Ciao for now.